Welcome back. Today we're gonna do a review on this Thule Pulse 614M medium cargo box. If you ever go on a road trip and you need more cargo space in your car, this Thule cargo box I think is the best solution for you. Because every time I go on a road trip, my car is loaded up with passengers, but we don't have enough space for our bags. As you can see, this Thule box is sitting on the wing bar Evo, and the wing bar Evo is connected to this traverse foot pack that's connected to the car because I don't have any roof rack. So basically you can put any wing bar Evo on any car, or the traverse foot pack you can buy and you can install it on any car. You just have to check out the model that's available for you. You have to go to the Thule website. Here we have the Mach-E right line gear. It's the step. This has a capacity of 2,000 pounds of weight. So you just hook it up to your door latch and you can step on it to go up for easy access to your box. So now we're gonna go to try to go up there, open up the box, and see how much space we have inside this box. There's a lot of space in here. You can put like maybe 6 or 7 backpacks. It also comes with a strap, so if you have something that's moving around, in case you don't have enough space inside and that bag is moving around while you're driving, you can strap it. So this is the easy grip clamp. You put it in and you tied it up. This one hooks up to the Thule wing bar Evo. So you just have to make sure those are nice and tight so they don't fly up when you drive. So here we're gonna try to measure the opening of the box. It's 13 inches, so I think that's enough space to slide in your bag for that opening. The good thing about this box too is waterproof, so in case it's raining and you have all your bags inside, they're not gonna get wet. Comes with a strap so you can pull out the top, pull it down if you need to close it. Instead of grabbing the top, just pull the strap down. And it also comes with 3 locking system. We can take the Mach-E step, put it on the other side. I'm gonna go up and see the bottom part of this the box. As So you can see those easy grip clamps. They really held onto those bars very tight, so for sure your box is not gonna go anywhere when you're driving. So this is the wing bar Evo with the traverse foot pack that's on the car. I'll put the links down on the description below, so in case you want to buy them, just check out the links on the description. So in a closed position, you can see it's tapered in the front for aerodynamics, so it doesn't give you any drag while you're driving. So it will not affect too much on your miles per gallon for your gas consumption. And it also comes with a nice black glossy finish. You can also buy them in matte finish, so it's up to your preference. So here are the specs for the cargo box Thule Pulse 614M. It has a volume of 14 cubic feet with external dimensions of 67 inches by 35 inches and by 16 inches. The inside dimension is 61 inches by 33 inches and by 14 inches. It has a weight capacity of 110 pounds, so that means you can load up to 110 pounds with no problem. The mounting system is called the fast grip, which is the one that I showed you that locks onto those aeroblade bars, and it has a central locking system. So the box itself weighs about 34 pounds, and you can carry about 3 to 5 pairs of skis or 3 to 5 snowboards with a maximum ski length of 155 centimeters. So if you want to get this type of box, the model is 614. Anyway guys, these are the review for my Thule Pulse 614M cargo box. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.